Hi there! Today we're gonna talk about Christmas vocabulary. Are you ready? Today we're diving into holiday vocabulary. Have you ever wondered what all those beautiful decorations on a Christmas tree are called? Let's find out. Let's start with the basics. Ornaments. This is just general term for any decoration you hang on your tree. But what kinds are there? These are called baubles. Baubles. They are the classic round decorations, often shiny or colorful. Next we have tinsel. Tinsel. You drape those sparkly strings over your tree to make it shimmer. And of course, bell ornaments. Bell ornaments. They symbolize joy and are popular around Christmas time. Now for some unique ones. Have you ever seen snowflake ornaments? They're shaped like snowflakes and add a wintry touch to your tree. How about figurine ornaments? These are little decorations shaped like Santa, reindeer, Christmas tree, or gingerbread man, for example. Finally, don't forget Christmas lights. These are not ornaments, but they make your tree glow beautifully. Now, you're ready to talk about Christmas ornaments in English. Which one is your favorite one? Baubles, tinsel, bell ornaments, or maybe figurine ornaments? Share it in comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. Merry Christmas and a happy holidays! See you in the next video.